Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showcasing you how to fix the notification not working on your Galaxy S26 series or any other Samsung phone. So let's get started. So guys, you got all the apps but notification from any apps are not coming whether on home screen or lock screen at all on your device. Don't worry, here are a few tips and tricks to quickly fix it. Before we start, make sure few basic things like the DND or do not disturb is turned off. It's going to be available in the quick setting panel. Also, make sure airplane mode is off, especially if you are expecting text notification. You can also check this in the quick setting panel. Now after that, let's open up the setting, scroll down for notifications. Now before opening the app notification, first we are going to go to notification pop-up styles and make sure it's set to detailed. Now go back one step and enter hide content while locked options and make sure it's set to show always. Let's go back once again and now open lock screen and just make sure the cards option is selected because this make notification more visible on your lock screen. Now we are going to go back and enter the app notifications. Now as you can see, the full list of apps will appear in here. First, just make sure notifications are turned on for that app you wanted and then tap on app's name. Open that app notification settings and make sure sound and vibration are enabled and all these three options, lock screen, app icon badge and notification pop-ups are turned on. You got to also tap on configure and make sure all the in-app notification options are enabled. Now this is important because if notifications are turned off inside the app itself, none of the phone's notification settings will work. Just repeat the same process for all the apps you want notification from, and once you have done all the settings, just go ahead and restart your device so that the changes can apply properly. And after the restart, all the notification, apps and text messaging, everything will start appearing both on your home screen and on your lock screen. So guys, that is basically it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.